president faced some tough questions about the fires today and our changing planet.
CBS 13's Marissa Perlman spoke with the President of the United States today. She's at McClellan with what he had to say. Marissa?
Yeah, Curtis, we saw Air Force One land here late this morning. Of course, this is the place where CAL FIRE keeps all of its planes during this firefighting fight. Now, the president and the governor say they are working together, but are at odds over what's to blame for these challenging fires.
We want to pay our respects to the families and loved ones.
President Trump walked off Air Force One and into a briefing with federal and local fire officials.
It's like explosive is the only word. You drop a cigarette on it, you come back a half hour later and you have a forest fire.
President Trump has often criticized California's response to wildfires, but Governor Newsom says he's been supportive behind the scenes. That includes issuing a disaster declaration last month, promising federal dollars to fire victims. The president also touted what he calls a first-of-its-type agreement between California and the federal government, brokering a deal to double the state vegetation and forest management with federal assistance.
We've been working very well with Gavin. We've been working very well with the state. We approved emergency declarations, and hopefully it'll be under control fairly soon.
Democratic governors, including Governor Newsom, have said the fires are a consequence of climate change. Today, Trump blamed poor forest management for the flames that have raced through the area and created unhealthy air quality.
You go to other countries and they don't have this problem, but they have more explosive trees, meaning they catch fire much easier. So we have to talk about that.
Mr. President, do you agree there is a climate change issue here in California? Yeah, we'll have more on the president's answer to our questions about climate change, plus who he was honoring in a ceremony here at McClellan Park today, coming up at 5 o'clock.